Hi guys, how are you? This one Titanium. Welcome back to IMMT, Investing MMT. Let's get started with this morning's analysis. It's August 29th, 2018, 8:41 in the morning. As you can see, the NDX has been performing very well, although we are getting a little bit tired, and this move has to correct. Okay, right in here. We had a nice thrust up. We went long over here, so we're making some money. But we're okay with the price coming back down and correcting, and then pushing higher. It has been doing this all throughout the summer. As you can see, it came up, came down, came up, came down, and this is how you analyze charts. Okay, this is the way you do it. You look at the price action. You understand what it's going to do based on just price alone. All this other crap with RSIs and MACDs and moving averages and candlesticks, that's all crap. Okay, it doesn't work. If you don't have the macroeconomic understanding, the MMT understanding as a background, in order for you to be able to understand why is the market going up, instead of looking at it and going, well, that's just too high. Well, it's been 10 years since we had a recession, so we're going to have one. And every single day, it keeps going higher and higher. And that's what we do at patreon.com/mine this one. We teach people how to fish. So if you want to learn how to do bare knuckle charting, if you really want to understand macroeconomics, come down to patreon.com/mine this one, and you will have access to my videos, and you will have access to my Facebook page, where we do most of our work. It's using the chats, the Facebook Messenger chats. We have the IMMT instructors. We have the free chat, the IMMT, the Mind This One Only, which is only me who is talking about my thoughts of the day. And we also have the macro instructors chat as well. So come on down and join us, and you're going to find it very informative. So again, NASDAQ needs to correct here a little bit. Taking a look at the dollar index. If you're trading Forex, you got to understand the dollar. And as we said, we were looking for that next move up. We were waiting for it to occur here. Went a little bit lower. Now we're looking for that up move. Okay, in the dollar. The Euro USD, as I said yesterday, or the day before, actually I didn't make a video yesterday, it's going to have some difficulties right in here. Okay, dual resistance coming back doesn't mean it can't go higher. That's not what I'm saying here. What I am saying is that we've had this correction back here, which was a V bottom. We have another V bottom here. If this is to push higher, then what we need to see is some kind of a correction, something like this, and then we'll look for it on the upside. Right now, I am personally short. Let's take a look at the bonds. The 10-year yield is at 2.88. Aggregate bonds is pulling back a little bit. Okay, this whole formation should end up bullish. Okay, it should. Doesn't mean it has to. All right, and we're not talking about today or tomorrow. This is just the way it's setting up. One more up, and then we'll look for the downside. Okay, oil looking bullish. We had this huge move down, about $10 worth. Broke out, correcting through time, high base. Okay, we're looking for one more up, at least in the oil market. And here is Bitcoin. Well, as you can see, Bitcoin has got that Peyronie's disease where it's got a nice little erection going. Okay, now this 6,000 area has been very important for Bitcoin. For some reason, it's being defended. Now, I still think we're going to break that 6,000. This formation typically is going to lead to the downside. Um, we actually bought below 6,000, caught a very nice move, up 48% right in here. Okay, took profits on the way down, waiting for that next move down where it's going to take out all the stops, and then once it does that, then we're going to start looking for further upside. I think 10,000 is very plausible. U.S. Turkish lira, you guys know I've been long this several times. I went long back when it was at 3. Now it's at 645. I kept saying there's going to be another move up. The question is going to be now, this move, how high is it going to come? If it creates a pattern like this, the move is likely over. What we'll look for is another push lower. Okay. Now, personally, I don't think that's the way it's going to play out. I don't think the whole Turkish thing is over yet. So what I'm looking for is either a continuation higher, if it does form an M pattern, okay, and it were to break this pattern, then we would go long somewhere in here, okay. Now my service doesn't provide trading signals, okay. That's not something that I provide, and the reason I don't provide trading signals is because, one, everybody's portfolio risk tolerance is different. So you can't even if I was 100% right every single time, which I'm not. Okay, what works for me when I get in and what works for you is not going to work. So I'll give you a little overview of my positions, and these are positions that I do have to announce ahead of time, so everybody can understand that my method does work. Okay, so I have to give them. I have to tell you when, but it doesn't mean that I'm telling you to go out and use your hard-earned money. In fact, I don't. I tell you to use your paper account, learn how to fish, and then when you're consistent, which could take more than a year. Okay, some people get in 6 months, some people take it in a year, some people longer. When you understand what's going on economically, fundamentally, and charting wise, and you're consistent with paper trading, then you can take that knowledge and apply it to real money. Okay. Again, I'll just give you an idea. This is NDX. We went long right at the bottom, made a very nice profit. Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. This has been a very long play, short. Comes all the way back here. Indian U.S. dollar, Indian rupee, another entry right at the bottom. We're looking for further upside. China, we bought China, doing very nice for us. Okay, we're still looking for more upside. Oil we bought at 66.70. Okay, took some profits, looking for more upside. New Zealand dollar against the U.S. again, making some nice coinage, and U.S. dollar, Japanese yen is also looking bullish. This one we're expecting a lot more from. Okay. Right in here, and this is what I talk about, the corrections. So you have your thrust up move, you have your correction. Okay, now you get the breakout, you have this bullish flag. We're looking for one more up, and hopefully this is going to be the one that's going to push us much higher. Okay, so these are the positions that I do have to announce, so people understand that when they come to patreon.com/mine this one, they know what I'm doing, they see how it works, I give them the reasoning, I teach you how to fish. Okay, that's the whole point behind it. Now again, I'm going to emphasize that once you do come and sign up to patreon.com/mine this one, what I need you to do is to add me to Facebook friends. If you think that I'm just going to post things on Patreon in of itself by itself, I won't. Most of the stuff that I publish is going to be on Facebook via Messenger. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week is how we teach, and that's the way we have instructors for macroeconomics, for bare knuckle charting, and then my thoughts for the day. So that's it for now. Thank you very much. I hope you found this informative. Make sure you like it and come down to patreon.com slash mine this one. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.